Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my dearest students, with our first English lesson. It will be for all grades and it will be on alphabets. So get ready, my friends, and try to listen to me carefully and repeat after me. The first sound here, my friends, is A, and I say it A. A, A, like ma, a, d, mad, a, n, t, ant, b, a, t, bat. Again, my friends, here we have a, mad, ant, bat. The second one here is B, and I pronounce it B, 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 A, D, bed, B, A, T, bat, B, I, N, bin, B, bed, bat, bin. C, K, 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 A, T, cat, K, A, R, car, K, A, P, cup, K, K, A, T, cat, K, A, R, car, K, A, P, cup. So here, my friends, we have A, mad, ant, bat, B, bed, bat, bin, C, K, cat, car, cup, D, d, a, d, dad, b, d, bed, d, a, g, dog. Again, d, a, d, dad, b, d, bed, d, a, g, dog. E, n, d, end, t, n, ten, p, n, pen. F, a, n, fan, f, I, t, fit, f, a, r, far, f, fan, fit, far. G, g, oat, goat, g, a, p, gap, g, o, d, good, g, goat, gap, good. H, hat, hat, n, hen, hat, hot. Again, H, hat, hen, hot. I, n, in, t, n, tin, P E N pin. I E in tin pin. J J J A R jar. J A M jam. J A B job. J J jar jam job. K K K K K K E T kit. K E D kid. K E L kill. K K K kit kid kill. L L L L L A T let. L E P lip. L A D led. Again. L O let lip led. M M M M M M ma a n man. Ma a d mad. Ma a m mom. Mom. Again. M m man mad mom. N in n n n n a t net. T e n tin. W e n win. Again. In n n a t net. T e n tin. W e n win. O a a o a a a n on. L a t lot. D a t dot. O a n on. L a t lot. D a t dot. P p p p a t pat. P a n pen. P e n pin. P p pat pen pin. Q qu Q qu qu e t quit. Qu e n queen. Qu e l t quillet. Q qu qu quit queen quillet. R r r r r at rat. B a r bar. F a r far. R r rat bar far. S s s a n sun. س أ ت sat س أ ت sat s s s sun set sat t t t t n ten v t vet p t pet t ten vet pet u a m mom k t cat under u mom cat under v van t vet vat van vet vat w in win t wet low w win wet low x box box fox fox fix x box fox fix y t yet fly dry y t yet fly dry yet fly dry z zoo zeal zebra zoo zeal zebra. Now my friends, listen to me. I will read these alphabets as letters and as sounds. Here we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z. Okay? This is the capital letter and this is the small one. This is capital, this is small. This is capital and this is small. Now listen to the sounds of these letters. Here we have A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, ك ك ل ل م م ن ن أ أ ب ب ب ب ب ك ك ر ر س ك س ت ت أ أ أ إي أ أو أ ف ف و و كس كس ي ي ز ز. Thank you so much, my friends. Try to repeat these letters and the sounds more than once. Thank you and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.